Hey, what's going on, everybody? Greg Dawes, G920 Pro State Consultants. I was actually not going to do anything this week because I had so much other stuff going on with, in fact, the case that I may go over with you all today. But I said, let me go ahead and give them a little bit of something, and we'll see where it goes. I sent out the link a little bit late, but anybody who's watching the live will be able to see it. So it's probably going to be a little bit different. And as I said, I was getting ready to not do the show at all because I'm so busy with other stuff. But hey, we're going to get it in and see what we can do. And by the way, shout out to the United States Army, of course. We're celebrating our 250th birthday. I don't know if I agree with this. In fact, I don't agree with this foolishness with a parade and what have you, because it's just not how we do it. Service is near and dear to the hearts of people who spent the time actively participating in service for this great country of ours. And it's not something we should take lightly. The information, actually, I'm going to give everybody a public Zoom link. We typically don't do it this way because I generally don't have meetings this way. It's for mostly the people who are either clients or have been clients or what have you. And I don't do the membership on YouTube, although I know I could do the membership on YouTube. I just think I started doing this so that more people could have success in areas and hopefully even bring in people who may be able to show or give us information that would help everybody get to a good resolution. I don't know if he's going to come in today, but in fact, let me do some other stuff before I start getting into this show. And I have my disclaimer that I'm not an attorney. I do not have a license to practice law. I don't practice law. What I've done is studied the law, tell people what I've learned, how I gather the information. I don't give information as advice to apply to your specific case, but it's general information regarding the law and lawful principles, which, by the way, do belong to the people. So please use any information obtained for educational edification only. And the reason I say that is because I want nothing I say to be construed to be legal advice. If you feel you need legal advice, I would highly encourage you to hire a licensed and hopefully competent attorney and be legally advised. In addition to that, I will say that I do not personally say anything disparaging about attorneys on the show. Once people start to pop in, they'll tell you how to go about setting how to make yourself known to me and how I can potentially bring you into the discussion. We actually have somebody popping in today, and I'm glad that he did. Tyler, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Hey, I appreciate you joining, and it gives me a couple of seconds to go do a couple of things. Tell everybody about what the great news that you told me, because it's based upon your diligence and that you got the results that you have, and you can start from the part that I guess the two cases, right, were both dismissed, and then where you are now. And by the way, thanks for joining and lending a hand as well.
No worry. I'm gonna tell you this, man. I joined in for this one reason.